Hello everybody. So through this session we'll continue with our writing skills, and today we'll discuss application writing. Students, although you people have done application writing in your previous classes also, but your application writing is very important because according to examination point of view also, there used to be choice between formal or informal letter and application writing, and it used to be of 6 marks in your final exams, and it's a must question that definitely one application will be there in your final term. So that's why application writing is important. So first of all, we'll discuss the format of application to the principal. However, this is very easy. You have already followed also. You will start with like the principal, and then however in finals you will not mention the name of the school, your school's name. You will XYZ school, just name of any city you must mention there, like I'm mentioning here Mandi. Then you will again leave one line and then put the date. As the date I am putting here tentative dates like March 18, 2021. Then after leaving one line you should mention subject, and subject according to the question whatever is asked to write, about which topic you want to write the application you have to mention here. Then you will write down respected sir, ma'am, and then from the next line you will write down the body of your, that is content of your application. You will mention the content of your application. Then it will be definitely, if you are writing application to your principal, you will mention only yours obediently, and you have to be very careful that the spelling should be very much correct. And then you have to put the name, your name, either if it in examination paper it is mentioned then okay, otherwise put that here ABC. And then class, definitely you are in 9th class, so put 9th AB whatever section. So like that, this will be the format of application. Now we will practice one. For example, I am taking the simple question that you must have done in your last classes also, like write an application to your principal requesting him for full fee concession. Now we'll start writing. First of all, to the very left of the notebook or the sheet, the principal, name of the school, you don't have to mention XYZ school. Now name of city, you can mention any city. I am putting here the name again what I have put there also, Mandi. Then after that we have to leave one line and then the date, like tentative date of your exams I am putting March 18, 2021. After that again leaving one line gap, I am putting the subject, and subject here definitely it is requesting for full fee concession. You have to underline your subject. Why the subject used to be there? So that just by reading the subject only, the reader should know about which the application is. So after that we will write down the salutation, that is respected sir, ma'am, you will start writing the body of your application. With due respect, I, comma, ABC. Now ABC you have to see if your name is mentioned there, you are given any name there, you should write down that, otherwise go for ABC. Again comma, am a student of class 9th in your prestigious school. Then start directly about your problem, that my father is a peon in a private firm and his pay is meager. Meager, that is small. So I'm just writing this for your convenience. You can write down small or meager, any of the word. Then you can write down he cannot pay my school fee. Apart from that, we are 3 brother and sister, and being the only earning hand in the family, there is much burden on him. Now this was about your family condition. Now tell that you are a good child also. Say that I am a good student always stand first in my class. Tell other qualities also, that I am good in sports also. And I am a member of the school cricket team. Then tell that I was a free student last year also. So kindly grant me full fee concession for this year also. Next line, I shall be thankful to you for this kindness. Then winding up, yours obediently. Again, if the name is given, all right, otherwise ABC class 9th A, roll number any, you can put only roll number 1. So with this, your application ends here. So students, we have to be very careful that the length of the application should not be as you were writing in your previous classes, because it's your 9th class, so it should be a little bit lengthy compared to other previous classes, as it used to have, or it used to be for 6 marks. We have to be very careful about that. So with this, I am ending the session here. Thank you.